Oh, it is. It is. It's pretty. Hello. Hashtag always ready to shine. This is Kathy McDonald Dalton. Just letting y'all know we're in Evansville, and what you are looking at right now is Kentucky on the other side. Go Kentucky! Go Kentucky! Go Kentucky! Yeah, that's Kentucky. He's so slow. This is really pretty. Look at that sun, how it's coming down between the moon, sun setting. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is nice. We're taking a walk. It's nice out here. It's like 50 something, 62 degrees or something. It's really nice out here. And I'm with my family. We still missing 3 more people, but we starting to get it all together, little by little. CC family, Kiwan and Tori family. This is really awesome.